it's another journalism edition of Wardy Screencast. Today, I want to seriously go back over how to format direct quotes in Attribution. We kind of know what Attribution is, we know what direct quotes are, but organizing and setting them up is something I'm seeing we need to work on. So this should be like a 2-minute video, I hope. So we have a quote. There's three little rules I'm going to go over right now real quick. One is this: place the attribution at the end of the first sentence of the quote. Do not put it before the first sentence of the quote. So for example, the pain was excruciating, comma, quote, said John Smith. The attribution after the first sentence. Well, what if you have 3 or 4 sentences? Same thing. The pain was excruciating, comma, quote, said John Smith, period. Quote, I didn't know what hit me. Why would somebody do this? End quote. Again, the attribution's after the first sentence. Attribute with the full name of the person you've interviewed on the first reference and just the last name anytime after that. For example, the pain was excruciating, comma, quote, said John Smith, period. Quote, I didn't know what hit me. Why would somebody do this? Now later on in the story you quote John Smith again. You just put, I want justice, comma, quote, said Smith. So first reference, full name. Second reference, just the last name. If you mentioned John Smith earlier in the article, and this is the first quote, but you've mentioned that person earlier, just put the last name. Number 3, avoid announcing quotes. What do I mean? Don't start a quote by, when asked about the incident, John Smith said, quote, the pain was excruciating, I didn't know what hit me. Should be an end quote there. Alright, don't do that. Just put, the pain was excruciating, comma, quote, said John Smith, quote, I didn't know what hit me. Why would somebody do this, end quote. Don't put, when asked, when I asked about him, when interviewed about the subject, don't announce the quote. Put the attribution after the first sentence of the quote. And that is it. Wardy, out.